Hey guys, it's me again. Today we're going to do kind of a quick recap on my time spent in Florida. I've been roaming around here for about 2 weeks, and so I've seen quite a few cool things and got some videos to show you, short clips. Right now I'm currently in the Everglades. I'm a little on high alert because I'm expecting to see some snakes in here. Pretty cool area. There's some lizards over here. That's what's making noise behind me. Like I said, I'm down in the Everglades right now, but let's kind of start about a week and a half ago. My buddy Bob from Arizona, he came out and met me, and he rented a car. We met up in Savannah, Georgia. From Savannah, we came down towards Jacksonville and St. Augustine. Met up with some people along the way. A little bit further down towards Miami, or really like the Fort Lauderdale area, we met up with Mr. and Mrs. Two-Wheeler, Mike and Nina. They are super cool. They have an awesome YouTube channel. I've been kind of catching up on their videos after we met. Really high production quality, and they just put out some cool videos, so definitely go check that out. I'll leave a link to his channel, Mike's channel, down below. We ended up taking a tour, I think what's called a swamp truck. It was quite fun. We saw some pretty cool animals and got to see a little bit of the northern Everglades, so that was really neat. I had originally wanted to take a fan boat tour, but Mike suggested that the swamp truck, we would definitely see more wildlife, and I'm glad that we did that.
Try to see if we see any alligators.
Yeah, I've been looking.
Yeah, their suckers are hiding.
Usually when the sun is out, they'll come out to warm up.
Yeah. Careful, Bob, they'll bite you.
It's not sunny out, that's why?
Yeah, usually they come out more when the sun's out. They warm up.
After that, we went down to Key West. Bob and I had a lot of fun just heading through the Keys to get down there, stopping and eating a lot of key lime pie. I really got my fill of that. A lot of coffee drinking and a lot of just walking around and exploring. Key West was really cool. We saw an awesome sunset, boats going by, and oh, it was just beautiful. What a cool place to see the sunset, and it's got like a very Caribbean vibe. there are some weird noises going on in here. Anyhow, we left the Keys. Bob and I split up right around like Homestead, Florida, which is like just before you get on the bridges to go into the Keys. So as soon as you get back to the mainland, the first town you hit is Homestead. We split up from there. He's on his way back home now, and I came into the Everglades to check this out, and it's been really beautiful and totally surprised me because I was expecting something more like this, like a lot of this, and this is actually pretty rare. This isn't what I was seeing so much of. It's more grassland. I was expecting a lot of reptiles and stuff, but really what I saw was a ton of birds. I mean, the birds here are just out of control. It's like a bird sanctuary. I saw one snake pretty much 10 minutes into the Everglades. I saw my first snake, and that was the only one I saw. I did see a manatee breaching the water, but I don't have any video of that. Because where I'm at now is called Flamingo, and that's right on the water. It's like the southernmost point in the mainland of the park, or accessible by road at least. Yeah, so I camped out last night. I slept great. Now I'm gonna head back through the park to get out of here. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you got something out of this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already. That way you don't miss anything whenever I post something new. And that's about it. Have a good one, guys. See you next time.